What could a transmission rebuild cost you in 2026? Well, it might cost you $6,500 and some change. That's what it cost me. And if that's what you came here to find out, you have the information you needed. If you want to know how I got here, stick around. You can see the invoice. A little difficult to read, kind of like a doctor's handwriting. But in the end, the total parts, $3,461. Total labor, $2,635. They had the car for about a week. Now, the situation I found myself in, and I realized I opened myself up to all kinds of comments putting this online, but it's so hard to find information that you can rely on. Everyone's got an opinion. Everyone's got a guy. Everyone's got some other way you should have done it. People wanted me to try to do the rebuild, replace myself. I thought about it real hard. Not something I was comfortable doing. As handy as I am, I'm smart enough to know I have a limit. So I took this to a small independent shop first, using the recommendation of friends. Here's what happened. 3 days they drove the car. And for 3 days they said, man, we can't find anything wrong. It's not shuddering. It's not shaking. Your RPMs aren't jumping. It's always gone into gear just fine. Oh, that sounds fantastic, but I really don't believe you. They're like, listen, we'll drive it one last time, but we're just going to recommend you change your fluid, take it, and we'll see what happens. Well, that's what we did. So I wasted about $300 on a fluid change. And the instant I pulled the car out of the parking lot, I was uncomfortable. The car was doing exactly what it did when it was dropped off at the shop on a tow truck, because I was afraid to drive it myself already. At first, I was determined to take it back to them, get my money's worth, and say, hey, try this again. But here's where my mind went. Why do I want to shop who either A, couldn't tell there was a problem, or B, didn't want to work on my car in the first place? At that, I decided to go back to the shop I had used years prior and had determined I'd rather go somewhere else next time. I went back to the shop that had done a transmission rebuild for us years before and let them do the work. A couple days go by and they've driven it. They said, we don't know why that first shop didn't notice what you're talking about. It's obvious. So once they get it up in the air, I give them the deposit. They pull the transmission. They've got it in pieces. And he's got a laundry list of problems. This is bad, that's bad, this is actually cracked, we need to do this and that. I know some of these words. So what am I supposed to do? $800 plus the $300 I was out for a fluid change, $160 on a tow. Am I supposed to say, yeah, put the old crap back together and I'll tow it somewhere else and try my luck at another shop? I couldn't do it. Is there a better way? Probably. I tried to get a second opinion, and this is where I found myself. I didn't have time or money for a third, right? So when he gives me the bad news of $6,000, I choked on it a little bit, because maybe 8 years ago when I had a transmission rebuilt, it was $3,300. And I remember fighting with having to pay that much to get that car fixed back then. Not the same vehicle. 8 years, double the price. That sounds like everything today, doesn't it? So that's where I am. 2015 Ford Escape. Transmission was slipping. At one point, wouldn't even go into gear. Was making some terrible noise. Never came back, only did it once. But it cost me $6,500 to have a professional rebuild it, reprogram it, and get me back on the road. Now, the last little bit where I'm burnt, because professionals believe they're the best. I got the car home, looked under the hood. They had hand tightened several of the hardware screws under my hood, such as the stuff that holds my brake fluid reservoir on and a couple of sensors around it. And then I looked down at the transmission and someone had gently placed the lock nut on top of the gear shift. I took the car to you for my transmission, and you're going to tell me one of the bolts that you failed to tighten was a transmission bolt? I do everything I can myself because professional means nothing. But if I had tackled this or attempted to, the car would still be sitting in my garage in pieces, and I would probably end up with a much heftier bill to get it dealt with after the fact. There you have it. If you've listened to me go on, good luck. Let me know your experience. But from the sounds of it, I haven't done too bad. People like to say they got a guy who will do it for $1,500. Okay. I work with a guy who said his brother was quoted $12,000 to fix the transmission in his Camaro. And his family was quoted something like $8,000 to fix the transmission in their Escalade, Suburban, one of those two. It's all the same with a different logo. So with that, thanks for watching. Good luck. Let me know what your transmission repair cost.